start back here again. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh. You gonna put yourself over? Oh, good job. Woo!
He did it.
Let's start back here again.
Good job.
Ready? Go again. Woo!
Hello.
Yeah.
Isaiah,
You tired now?
look here. You want to talk to us again?
Yeah, what do you have to say? Yeah. Oh, here we go again. I'm going over Mommy's tummy. Oh, here we go. Oh. All right, push one more push.